you want to start working from home as a freelancer or virtual assistant, you've heard about being a freelancer, you want to be a digital nomad where you can work anywhere. Or let's say you're a student, you want to explore the possibility of actually earning even if you're still studying, then this video is for you. Hi guys, my name is Mary and I'm a work from home mom, but today we're working from Baguio! So Bongski here is asking if meron ba tayong training for beginner na VA sa industry. As a beginner virtual assistant, I guess one of the most challenging part is to identify ano yung role, ano yung niche, niche, market, industry na tatargetin mo, ano yung pwede mong gawin na mag-earn ka ng pera from home. So we have what we call the Revamped Basic Work From Home Training Program. This is for free for those who are willing to commit. Why? Kasi meron siyang refundable registration fee na 399 pesos and marirefund mo yon kapag nakumpleto mo yung attendance, hindi na late yung submission mo ng homework, pagkatapos nakatapos ka na ng final activity at mock interview with me. During the training, we'll tap into different roles, niche, paano nga ba magsimula, ano yung mga kailangang i-prepare, everything's in there including the roadmap on how to become a virtual assistant. January na yung open na class ha, so if you guys wanna enroll, click the link in my bio. Tapos click nyo yung Revamp Work From Home Training Program and dyan refundable registration fee of 399 pesos. Sa January, I think this will start second week. MWF lang yung class, 6 to 8 p.m. And then apart from that, magkakaroon ng siguro 3 sessions na weekend just because yung mga trainers natin are only available on weekends. My co-mentors will also meet you guys para naman i-share kung ano yung knowledge nila dun sa industry nila. And mind you, even if January pa yung class, mabilis maubos yung slots nitong class na to, so mag-enroll na kayo. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!